Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a Pareto chart in Tableau. So Pareto chart is used to identify the contribution of members present in a field. Pareto chart is a dual axis chart and a combination of both bar chart and line chart. And the same measure is used to create the graph, but measure shelf values are manipulated differently. This is a Pareto chart and it is a combination of bar chart and line chart. Let's go to Tableau and create Pareto chart. So first I will drag this subcategory into column shelf and sales into row shelf. Then I will duplicate this sales. Now we have two bar charts with the same dimension and same measure. Pareto chart is a dual axis and a combination of both bar chart and line chart. So I will make one of this chart to a line chart. So in the secondary chart, in this secondary axis, from this drop down, I will make it to line chart. So I will make this view in a dual axis. So click on this drop down of second measure and click on this dual axis. The primary measure sales will automatically convert it to circle chart. So from the marks card, click on this drop down and click on bar chart. And now I will change the color of bar chart so it is more visible. Okay. And sort the subcategory in descending order. Click on sort and then click on descending, sort by field, and field name is sales and aggregation is sum. Now we got the chart of sales by subcategory from highest sales to lowest sales. Then right click on second measure, then select quick table calculation option, then choose running total. Look at this line chart beginning from phones subcategory. Sales is 3,30,007 and running sum of sales along table across also 3,30,007, and move to the second one which is increased. Here running sum of sales along table across is 6,58,456 and sales is 3,28,449. So here running sum of sales is 6,58,456, which is the sum of sales of both these phones and sales of chairs subcategories. And move to the third one, which running sum of sales is 8,82,300, which is the sum of all these three subcategories, phones and chairs and storage sales. And then I will add secondary table calculation to this running total, which will give cumulative percent of total. So from the second measure, click on this drop down and click on edit table calculation and then select this add secondary calculation. Then you can able to see this secondary calculation type. So from this drop down, select this percent of total and compute using table across. Okay, so close this one and look at this line chart. This is cumulative percent of total. Percent of total running sum of sales along table across is 14.37%, and look at the second one which is increased 28.66%, and the next one is 38.46%. It will increase up to 100%. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.